every quality pro knows the drill. You have too much to do and not enough time. Getting stuck in firefighting mode is easy when you're constantly bombarded with process emergencies, audits, customer data demands, and more. Why is it so hard to get ahead? After all, you collect quality and process data. The trouble isn't your quality data, it's the way you access and use it. With InfinityQS solutions, you can standardize and centralize your quality data for fast access and unparalleled visibility. Troubleshoot and resolve problems at lightning speed. Find the best and worst performing assets and processes. Get fast insight into quality status and keep everyone on the same page, and scale easily to meet changing needs. Are you going to continue with business as usual, or are you ready to change the way you see and use your quality data? Getting started with InfinityQS is easy and affordable. With offerings available for as little as $65 per month, InfinityQS cloud-based solutions minimize IT resource requirements so you can get your system up and running fast. Contact InfinityQS to learn more.